Welcome today in front of me Xiaomi 11T, and I'll show you how to turn off Always On Display function. So first you should go to the Settings application, and now you can see here the Always On Display and Lock Screen section. Go here and now just go to the Always On Display, and here you get a switcher just to turn off this function. Tap on the switcher and now we'll check. Yeah, right now this function is not activated. If you wanna just turn it on, just go to the settings again and tap on the switcher. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.